Using full band RTK along with human-like 3D vision positioning technology enables reliable, high-precision positioning. The ANTHBOT robotic lawnmower employs a dual positioning system to ensure that precise lawn mowing tasks are completed without interruptions, even in areas with weak or no GPS signals, such as under dense trees, eaves, or near buildings. Experience hassle-free lawn care with our innovative borderless mowers. ANTHBOT robot lawn mower features advanced AI boundary recognition and adaptive cruise control (AECC) technology, which automatically maps your lawn with precision. Its 4-camera system identifies boundaries and creates optimal cutting routes, greatly improving mapping efficiency and reducing the need for manual intervention. The adaptive edge following system also makes remote control mapping easier and more convenient. 300 degrees field of view camera with built-in AI algorithms can detect 1,000 plus types of common objects in the garden to ensure stronger obstacle avoidance capabilities and a higher level of safety. You can customize the mowing settings for 30+ lawn zones to suit your needs. ANTHBOT robot mower provides the flexibility to remotely control and monitor your lawn care in real time via the smart app. And no-go zones can be set, such as around the swimming pool, for increased safety and accuracy. Reception 0.74 acre, max 0.9 acre. Thanks to our algorithm upgrade and signal coverage technology breakthrough, it can support a maximum area of 0.9 acre.